All too often, rain gardens have become known as kidney beans in the middle of a lawn where they're collecting water. They're such an important part of us being able to conserve our water resource and reduce the amount of runoff into our storm cellars. That's why it's important for us to be able to gather the water from the roofline here and to have this part of an integrated landscape. You can see that it is tied into an existing bed. We'll be capturing the water with a bermed area and then landscaping it with plants that tie in with the existing landscape. The key point of a rain garden is to increase the water movement into the soil instead of having it run off the soil. First step is to double dig. The crew have used deep tile spades to go down about 12 inches deep. Then the next step will be to incorporate organic matter. In this case, we're using aged pine bark, which breaks down very slowly and over a longer period of time allows the water to move into the soil. The next step will be to plant the water-tolerant plants. They are plants that will grow well both in dry environments, because oftentimes it doesn't rain here in Nebraska, but then will also tolerate a 48-hour period of wet soils as the water slowly infiltrates. Then a layer of mulch to help conserve moisture as well as reduce the number of weeds. And we have a beautiful rain garden that's part of the overall manageable, sustainable landscape. In these seasons of very dry conditions, people make a joke and say, why rain garden? It doesn't rain anymore. To me, it means that it's even more critical that we make the very best use of our water resources, that we reduce the amount of water that's running off, increasing the demands on our public systems. Let's make the good use of every resource that we have, and a rain garden can be part of that.